Welcome back to the channel. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I just wanted to touch base and say this year has been extremely difficult for everybody across the globe. And with that in mind, I always want to do the very best I can to help those in need, especially around the holidays, as this is an extremely difficult time for most families when there isn't a pandemic. So during this current year, this is going to be extremely difficult for those that are traditionally in need around this time. So I just want you guys, if you can, reach out to those in need, find out what you can do to help them, do whatever it is possible, even if it's a small thing. Any little thing helps. My family and I, we try and help another family out every year in whatever fashion we can, sometimes multiple families a year. And this time is really important because it's a time when people feel that need the most. And I want to remind you that after the holidays is another really hard time for those less fortunate and those that are traditionally in need. So let's band together and do the very best we can to help each other out. Now, as we bring this year to a close, I wanted to inform you guys about some of the plans for 2021. Obviously, we want to just get past this pandemic and pretend like it never happened. But honestly, that's not going to happen anytime soon. However, we should be focusing on trying to make the best decisions throughout the next year so that we can really start to overcome our issues, overcome these struggles that we've experienced, and really become successful. One of the things that I've began to work on is a website. I have my own blog set up, and I'm continuing to build on that. If you happen to stop by and visit, please know that it's a work in progress, but it is up and it is available for you to come check out. The website is called thebattleofself.com, and I'll have a link down in the description. This blog is designed to discuss the importance of decision making and how that affects our futures and how it affects our ability to become successful. To start out with, it's going to be blogs and my personal take on a lot of things that are somewhat easier to say in a blog format, but I'm going to expand and begin to provide additional free resources and eventually some digital options down the road for you guys to check out. So please take the time when you get a chance to come check it out. Again, that's thebattleofself.com. And again, the link is in the description. The other thing that I'm considering in 2021 is a podcast, specifically to partner up with the new website, because I really want to delve deep into that subject matter. One of the easier ways to do that is to actually host a podcast around that particular topic. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you prefer blogs or podcasts, what is your favorite thing to check out? Now, the most important thing that I want to get at is my intentions for the channel. I really want to begin to work on providing more value for you guys and growing this community that we have even more in 2021. Now, one of the best ways for me to do that is to understand your needs and understand the things that you would like to talk about. So please hit me up in those comments. Let me know what's going on for you guys. Let me know what we can discuss and how we can grow this community bigger. Alright, thank you guys so much for sticking around. I appreciate each and every one of you. This year's been really rough, but you know what? We've made it through. So good job, everybody. Keep up the good work. Let's see each other again in 2021, and let's rock this year. Alright, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.